Hello, my name is Emiliano. I'm a soil mechanics student, and I'm going to present to you my work for exam 4, which is a Moore circle. I had a 15 out of 20. So let's get started. I took a picture. It's not that one, this one. So this is the work that I did, but let me go ahead and start over. So the question was asking for the maximum, no, the minimum and maximum stresses and the max shear and the angle between the horizontal plane and the maximum stress. So let me show a line for that. So let's do it from here to 100. Line from here to 100. Let me check real quick. So for sigma CZ, it was 125 positive since it was compressing uh, compression. Also, sigma XX is in compression, so it's going to be 75. And then for the shear, for shear CX, it was positive 40 since it was going, which way was going? It was going counterclockwise, so it was positive. And then for the uh, shear XZ, it was negative 40 since it was going clockwise, I believe. Yeah, it was going clockwise. And then, so now we got that. We're gonna first plot our lines, which is this sigma XX was 75. So let's plot our line first. Let's make another layer, calculations. You can do it green. Oh, I forgot something. I also need to do a line from here to 100. Okay, now that's done. Let's go here. So we're gonna start from a line. Let's make a line. Start from the 0, and go all the way to uh, O sigma XX, which is 75. That's 75 right there. Oh, show down more. Let's see what he does. This line. Make another line. Which is 100. Let's make it again. Let's make the line 0 to 75, which is sigma XX. There we go. And then from there, what I did is I don't know if this is the correct way of doing it, but this works for me. So I'm just gonna do another layer. I'm just gonna put shear. I'm gonna do it in yellow. So for shear, it was both 40 and negative 40. So let's make a line at those points. Start from 0, 40. Just go all the way down. And then we can make another line from the shear point at 0, negative 40. So you put negative 40. There you go. And then we're going to put it right here. I'm not sure that's straight. Let's make it again because I'm not sure it's straight. Okay, sorry. So 0, negative 40. 41, 40. Okay, I think that's better. Oh, there you go. Okay. So now that we're here, I noticed that for this is the data XX, which is 75, and they had a negative shear, so we can go down to that line. Let me just go back to the calculations one. A line from theta XX to this point right here, which is the shear. We're gonna delete that. And we're gonna put another line. We're gonna do from this point right here. 0, to sigma CZ, which is 125. There you go. And then we're gonna go up to positive 40 since it was going, the vertical direction was going down, which was clockwise, I believe. That again. Oh, my mind was negative. Let's see that picture again. So it's going down. So it's going clockwise. Oh, never mind. I think I got it backwards. Let's see what I did over here. Yeah, I got it backwards. So it was this way. Let's just delete that one. No. I lost the. Okay, that's another line. From this point to that point. Right here. I'll just delete this. Okay, that's so sigma CZ was going positive 40 since it was going counterclockwise, and the 125 sigma CZ. No, this is sigma XX is going to positive 40, and sigma CZ was 125 going to the negative 40. Then we're gonna make a line that connects both of these lines. So with that, we found the center of our circle. Let's just make a circle right here. We have a circle now, and then we have sigma 1 and sigma 3. So let's make that point. This point right here. And then we're gonna find the properties of this point right here. So we got, I don't know, that was the answer I got. Let's see. Got 52.8. It's a problem. Something I messed up something right here, but it's close enough. Like I think I'm not sure. Semi. I don't know. Let's see what's wrong with this. It's 40. Plus 40. So not this one. That's correct. $25. Properties. Yeah, multi-point. There's a problem right there. I didn't make the line correctly. This line right here. So let's make another line. Mirror to 75. That's a problem. Let me go up here. Go down here. Just delete this one. Switch clipping. Like a line. Just delete this one too. A line from here to here. Make a circle. We found center of it, and we're making a circle. Now I think we got it right. Let's put a point right there. I don't think I did it right. Put a point right there. Okay, so the properties. For sigma, what was it? Sigma 1, I got 146.9. See, that's the same as the one I got here. No, it's still different. Interesting. I'm not sure why I went wrong. If this one's not right, or the one I did on the exam is right, but I got 146 for that one, and then for this one, right here, the properties. This one right here, 52.9 for this one. I think I got 52.8 something. I'm not sure what went wrong with this one, but then let's just keep going. Let's make a line. Let's make another layer. Let's make another layer. Let's put a line. I don't know what to name it. Let's do that one. So we're gonna find next the center of planes, which is gonna be from this point right here. This one. I'm not in the right layer. I'm really struggling with this AutoCAD right here. And what I did for the angle is I worked down here until here, and it shows 29 degrees. 29 degrees for the maximum stress, and for the maximum shear, I just put a line from this point to this point, and it got me 47, I think. Man. Properties with this one right here. Yeah, 47 too on the other one. On this one is the one I did for the exam. Let's see, 47 too. I feel like this one, the one I did the exam, was correct, but I followed the same steps I took here. I might have done something wrong with the points, but the